Hello, welcome to TechOps Explorers. In this video we are going to see how to install and configure NFS server on Ubuntu. Update the system. It will fetch all the repository. It downloads and install all the updates. Clear the screen. Check the release version. In my case it is 22.04. Check the IP address of machine. In my case 192.168.1.42. NFS stands for Network File System. NFS enables sharing files and directories among multiple Unix-based systems, providing centralized storage and seamless access to files across the network. Install NFS in master machine whose package name is NFS kernel server. Installation may take some time depending upon network connectivity. NFS is successfully installed and clear the screen. After installation, create a directory on /srv/nfs/share, which will shared with multiple instance using dir command. Now go to the /etc/exports file, enter the shared directory path and hostname and permissions. Then save and exit. Update the configuration using command exports. Check the firewall status. In my case it is inactive. Start the NFS server by running sudo systemctl start NFS server. Now go to the another machine. Check the release version. Here it is 20.04. Check the IP address. In my case 192.168.1.38. Clear the screen. Update the system. It will fetch all the repository. It downloads and install all the updates. It will take some time to update. Clear the screen. Install NFS common package. Installation may take some time depending upon network connectivity. Clear the screen. Create a directory /mnt/nfs/share using dir command. Mount the master directory to the recently created directory. Switch to the created directory using cd command. Now go to the master machine. Switch to the /srv/nfs/share directory. Create a file, test.txt, in it. Oops, got permission denied. Use sudo and enter again. It will create a file. Now go to another machine and check it will shown in their directory also. Enter the list command. Yes, it's created. We have successfully installed and configure NFS server. You can test it by creating multiple files and folders. Thanks for watching.